So people will be telling you don't need to be in a hurry to get your subscribers, you don't need to be in a hurry to get your watch time hours, you don't need to be in a hurry to get so people will be like, you don't need to be in a hurry to get subscribers, you don't need to be in a hurry to get your watch time hours, you don't need to be in a hurry to get monetized. Since you're there and people are actually making money, so you taking it slow and steady is, if it's that's fine by you, that's cool. But for me, I didn't take it slow and steady. I had to put in the work to get my 4,000 subscribers. So in 1,000 subscribers, so in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get your 1,000 subscribers faster and quicker. So hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanna Moshika and I create lifestyle fashion video content on YouTube. And yeah, how you guys doing? Hope you're doing good. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you how to get your 1,000 subscribers faster, as in ASAP. Yeah, so people like to deceive people and be like, you need to take it slow and steady, you need to take it organic to get your viewers subscribers organic. Yeah, it's possible to get your subscribers organically, also by posting consistently. So yeah, it's possible to get your subscribers organically by posting consistently, but you have to put in the work. It's not just for you to just sit down, fold your arms, and you feel like, oh my god, subscribers are going to come to my channel. Sis, you have to be strategic with your thumbnail, you have to be strategic with your timing when you post, you have to be strategic with what time you post and what time you do everything, like your videos and the content you give out, the quality, audio, everything. You have to be putting work in that. So yeah, I'm going to be teaching you what I did on my channel to get me 1,000 subscribers faster. So yeah, let's dive right into this video. So the first thing I did to get my first 1,000 subscribers is I started restreaming my videos. So restreaming is basically you creating long form videos on your channel and then you post it and then put it in a playlist. I'm sure everybody knows how to put in a playlist. So if you don't know how to do that, you can check online on how to create a playlist, or I can do a video for you. If you like to see that kind of content, just leave it in the comment section, put in a playlist, and then so basically you're rewatching your videos over and over again, and then by that you're getting more views and more watch time hours. So another way in which you can get your 1,000 subscribers faster is by posting shorts. So shorts are basically short form videos in which they tend to go viral and then you meet a lot of people and you get more subscribers from there. So it's important once you're posting it. So it's important when you're posting a video, you post a short with it so that it can drive traffic from your shorts to your long form videos. So when you post a short, you also post your video down in that way, and you can always link it. There's a way when you're posting, you can always add your video to it so that it can push your videos better. Yeah, so it's important you do that. And guys, when I tell you, shorts has gotten me a lot of subscribers. In a day you can get like 30 subscribers if the content is nice and it's clear. Definitely you're going to get subscribers. That's another way I got to my subscribers. So I have a video on how to make your short go viral and how to get other people's content. So basically, some people do get videos from other content creators and then they post like 7 videos in a day and they get subscribers from it. So one thing about getting other people's videos is that after you've posted and you've got your subscribers, you have to delete that video because they're going to come for you. Literally, they'll ask you, either tell you to delete your video or I don't know, ban your channel. So it's basically, if you're getting videos from other people, after you've gotten the subscribers you need, always delete that video, guys. It's important. And then you start building your followers. You get your subscribers from your long form videos. So it's not just only shorts you'll be putting out, you also be putting out your long form videos so that YouTube can recommend it. Another way in which you can get your subscribers faster is by posting valuable content. I cannot overemphasize the importance of posting valuable content. It's very important you post valuable content so that YouTube can push out your content. For instance, now if you're putting out content about hair, like natural hair, people are actually really going to be interested because they obviously want to know how to grow their hair and they want to know what you're doing that your hair is getting that long. So it's important to post out videos that they can learn something from you, not just entertainment. People want to learn, get value for what they're watching. So it's important to do that. And yeah, I have a class on my channel where I teach people how to get monetized on YouTube faster. You can just send me a mail at amoshikaalero@gmail.com where I'll be teaching you tips and tricks on how I've gotten my 1,000 subscribers, my monetization, how I've gotten 4,000 watch hours in a year, guys. I did that in a year. Like, I'm so proud of myself. I said I'm going to do it and I did it. So it's important you set your goals right. And yeah, if you got up to this part of the video, leave a white heart. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you guys.